am a little obsessed with looking into cons and scam artists, and I want to tell you about one person that I found along the way. Jefferson R. Smith, better known to his friends as Soapy Smith. Has anyone ever described you as Soapy?
Yes.
Good. So Jefferson was around in the late 1800s, and he was interesting, I felt, because unlike a lot of scam artists, con men, highwaymen, he was respected largely. He was liked largely. He had a wife, Mary, who adored him, who never said a bad word about him, regardless of his nefarious ways. He was described as loving, caring, kind, a solid member of the community. I can show you him. This doesn't help with everything that I just described him as, because this is a wanted poster. But that is him, Jefferson Randolph Smith, also known as Soapy Smith, wanted for questioning by Alaskan authorities concerning possible illegal business dealings. He didn't call them that. He called them games. And this was his favourite game. He would sit across from someone and he would give them some envelopes. You can check those out. He would give them a pencil, because he was an avid golfer. And he would give them 3 coins. You can have a look at the coins. And you'll notice that on the head side, there is a date on each of them. So you've got, this one is 1888.
88, 87,
yes,
86.
and 86. Put those heads side down so you can't see the dates. Preston. Somebody would explain that this is a simple game. It's a guessing game with 3 items.
Right.
You have a huge chance of winning this. Soapy would challenge the person sitting opposite him that he could influence them to do exactly what he wanted them to do. And if he could, then he would win. He would take out a sum to the amount of $100. He would ask them to do the same. If they won, if they couldn't be influenced, they would take double their bet and walk away. And if they could be influenced, Soapy would keep all the money.
Right.
And let's just say Soapy was well off.
Right.
Take those coins.
Yeah.
Give them a mix up so you don't know where any of them are. Any of the dates are. And then when you're done that and you're happy with that, I just want you to, again, without looking at the dates, take a coin and pop it in an envelope.
Hold on. Yep.
And same again with another coin, another envelope. And then lastly, there should be one more coin, one more envelope. Now do me a favour, Preston. Hold them up, make sure that you're seeing all of the envelope, make sure that the feel of those coins isn't different in any way. Make sure that you can't see through the envelopes to in some way see what might be there. There's no impressions left.
No.
Check all of the envelope, make sure there's no little sneaky nail nicks or pencil dots or markings or anything on there that might be able to tell anyone what they are. Okay? Give those envelopes a little mix up one last time, just so that you definitely don't know where anything is. And hold them all up by the dangly bits. Done?
Hold on. Yeah.
Okay, great. We're going to put them down in an order. You can pass me whichever one you want. This one? You sure? Okay. Next, which one do you want to go down? Okay, good. And then you can fold the last one for me as well. Yeah, just fold it in like this and then put it here. Yeah. All right. Okay. So, I'll go first, as Soapy always would. Here. Envelope number 1. This is my choice. I think this is 1888. That's what I think is there. Now it's your turn. Point to one of the envelopes. What do you think is there? You've got 87, 86 is still left.
86.
Okay, go for it. So number it, number 2. So that means in this one here,
387.
87. Okay. So, an 86. This is envelope number 1.
Mm-hmm.
Grab a hold of it. Let's see how Soapy did.
So 88.
That was my guess. What have we got?
That is 1888.
That's 1888. Did you feel like you were influenced in any way, shape or form to make those choices?
No.
Great. So I'm going to look at number 2.
What's this? 86? 1886?
1886. Okay, good. So, lastly, that means
It has to be.
that after we mixed the coins, we mixed the envelopes, you put
Yeah.
anything wherever you wanted, there was no markings, no way to discern it. You made all the choices.
It is indeed 1887.
Soapy
What a
strikes
pair.
again.